Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a residential property for sale. It is located on New Road, St. Margaret's Bay, Portland. There are two homes on the property. The main house has an upstairs to the back, two bedrooms, one bathroom, a living area, and a huge kitchen. The bathroom is enormous and has a jacuzzi downstairs. The main house has four bedrooms and three bathrooms. It has a vast living area, a large dining area, and a smaller one. There is also a large washroom and a huge pantry. There is also the car garage, which carries its port and has its entrance and exit. The property comes with a lot of fruit trees like coconuts, mangoes, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.